comprehensive exploration of a pivotal legal ruling by the Kerala High Court. This case delves into the intricacies of the Income Tax Act, focusing on Section 263. Our journey begins by unraveling the significance of this ruling, which addresses the question, can an order passed by the Commissioner under Section 263 be construed as a closed remand? The court's interpretation has reshaped the landscape of tax law, offering new insights and clarifications. In this introductory segment, we'll set the stage for a deeper understanding of the court's decision and its broader implications. You'll gain insight into how this ruling impacts current legal practices and what it means for the future of tax litigation. We'll provide an overview of Section 263, spotlighting its role within the Income Tax Act and the powers it grants to the Commissioner. Join us as we navigate through legal nuances and interpretive challenges, highlighting the importance of this landmark decision. Stay tuned as we dissect each element of this ruling, ensuring that by the end, you have a clear grasp of its significance and impact on tax law. Let's begin our journey into this intriguing legal landscape. Let's delve into Section 263 of the Income Tax Act, a pivotal piece of legislation that grants the Commissioner the authority to revise orders deemed erroneous. Understanding this section is crucial for comprehending the recent Kerala High Court ruling. Historically, Section 263 has been the cornerstone for ensuring tax assessments align with legal standards. It empowers the Commissioner to intervene when an assessment order might compromise the integrity of tax law. The Commissioner's role under this section is both significant and multifaceted, acting as a safeguard to ensure tax orders reflect the true spirit of the law. This section also presents an interesting dynamic between administrative oversight and judicial interpretation, often leading to varied interpretations over time. Let's explore some common interpretations and historical contexts. Traditionally, Section 263 has been seen as a corrective tool, providing checks and balances within the tax framework. However, its application has sparked debates regarding its scope and limitations. This brings us to the present context. How does the Kerala High Court's recent judgment interpret these powers? As we dissect their decision, consider the implications for both current practices and future legal proceedings. In the intricate landscape of tax law, the Kerala High Court's recent ruling has stirred considerable discourse. Central to this debate is the interpretation of closed remand under Section 263. The court decisively ruled that orders issued by the Commissioner cannot be viewed as a closed remand. This judgment is pivotal, reshaping the understanding of Section 263 and its application. Delving into the court's rationale, it becomes evident that their decision is anchored in a nuanced comprehension of legislative intent. The judges meticulously evaluated the scope of the Commissioner's powers, ensuring that the essence of tax law is preserved without overstepping legal boundaries. This interpretation not only clarifies existing ambiguities, but also sets a precedent for future cases. The implications are profound. By rejecting the closed remand notion, the court provides a framework that prevents unnecessary legal challenges, streamlining processes for tax professionals and legal practitioners alike. This ruling is more than a mere legal interpretation. It is a beacon guiding the understanding and execution of tax regulations. As we continue to explore these legal landscapes, we transition to examine the broader implications of this ruling on current tax practices and what it means for future proceedings. The Kerala High Court's recent ruling reverberates across the landscape of tax practices, introducing significant shifts that demand our attention. At the heart of this decision lies a profound impact on how current tax practices are approached. No longer can orders passed under Section 263 be viewed through the lens of a closed remand, altering the established norms tax professionals have long adhered to. But what does this mean for future legal proceedings? The ruling suggests a potential shift in how cases might unfold in court. This isn't merely a ripple effect, it's a wave that could redefine procedural norms, urging legal minds to adapt and evolve. Moreover, the broader implications for tax law cannot be overstated. By challenging existing interpretations, this ruling opens the door for an expanded dialogue on legislative intent and judicial oversight. It poses critical questions about the balance of power between judicial decisions and administrative actions, echoing through legal corridors and affecting decisions for years to come. Stay tuned to explore how this decision shapes the role of the Commissioner under Section 263 and what it signals for future tax law interpretations. In this segment, we delve into the pivotal role of the Commissioner under Section 263, a cornerstone in the realm of tax law. The recent ruling by the Kerala High Court provides fresh insights into the Commissioner's responsibilities and powers, redefining how these are perceived in light of legal scrutiny. Traditionally, the Commissioner's role has been to oversee and, when necessary, revise orders to ensure compliance with the Income Tax Act. However, this ruling offers a new perspective, suggesting that their actions and authority might be more constrained than previously interpreted. This shift not only affects the Commissioner's day-to-day functions, but also prompts a re-evaluation of past interpretations that have guided their decisions. As we explore these changes, it becomes evident that the ruling has far-reaching implications, not just for current practices, but also for the broader legal framework within which tax law operates. This analysis is crucial for law students and professionals who must navigate these evolving legal landscapes. Stay with us as we continue to unravel the complexities of this landmark judgment and its impact on the future of tax law interpretation. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration into the Kerala High Court's pivotal ruling on Section 263, it's essential to recap the core elements that stand out. The Court's decision has redefined the legal landscape, emphasizing that orders under Section 263 cannot be seen as a closed remand, thereby setting a new precedent for future interpretations. This ruling not only clarifies the Commissioner's powers, but also reshapes how tax law is applied in similar cases. The implications are far-reaching, affecting both current practices and future legal proceedings. Throughout this video, we've delved into the intricacies of the Income Tax Act and dissected the Court's interpretation. We've examined how this judgment impacts the responsibilities of tax professionals and offers new insights for legal enthusiasts and students alike. The Kerala High Court's decision underscores the dynamic nature of legal interpretation, reminding us of the importance of staying informed and adaptable in a field that is constantly evolving. As we conclude, keep these insights in mind and consider how they might influence your understanding of tax law. In our next segment, we'll encourage further exploration and discussion, inviting you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of legal rulings. Thank you for joining us in this insightful journey through the legal labyrinth of the Kerala High Court's ruling. As we conclude, remember that the world of law is vast and ever-evolving. I encourage you to delve deeper into other legal rulings, as understanding these nuances can broaden your perspective on tax law. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a curious mind, your insights and discussions are invaluable. Engage with others, share your thoughts, and continue exploring. Legal analysis is not just about understanding what is, but questioning what could be. Stay informed, stay curious, and never stop learning. Your journey into the intricate world of legal interpretation has only just begun. Until next time, keep questioning and exploring. Thank you for being a part of this discussion. We look forward to your insights and continued engagement.